for today's video, veg mayonnaise sandwich, I have taken bread, chopped capsicum, chopped cucumber, chopped carrot. They are all finely chopped, chopped tomato and finely chopped onion. And the main ingredients is veg mayonnaise, black pepper powder, amul butter, and this chutney. You can also skip it and use tomato sauce instead of it. So let's check out the recipe and start the video. So now I am taking a bowl and put all the cut vegetables into it. Make sure the vegetables should be cut into finely. Other than that, the vegetables come out from the sandwich. Onion, carrot, and tomato. You can also mix, if you have corn, you can also mix it. Now I am poured the veg mayonnaise into it. You will add mayonnaise according to your quantity of your vegetables. Then black pepper powder, and then little bit of salt into it. Little bit of red chili powder. You can skip it as I add black pepper powder. Then I am adding oregano. You can also skip it. If you doesn't have oregano, you can also skip it. It is optional. Then mix it properly with the vegetables. So the sandwich filling is ready now. So now I am taking two bread in a plate. Take little bit of Szechuan chutney and spread into the bread properly. Already I have told that you have take tomato sauce instead of it. It's your choice. Now I am taking the vegetable filling into a spoon and spread it properly into the bread. Then take the other bread and cover it and press it. Now I am taking a tawa. You should give the time to heat the tawa. Now I am adding this much of butter into it. Spread the butter properly. When the butter is melted properly, place the sandwich into it. Cook it on medium flame. When the other side is being cooked, I am placing Amul butter on the other side. Flip into the other side. Flip it gently. This is a perfect dish for kids and also for breakfast. You can easily make it in your home. Now turn off the stove. Both sides of the bread is properly cooked. Now I am taking a plate and place it. So the veg mayonnaise sandwich is ready to serve.